Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we got a IS Lexus out there, completely hammered, faded, tired. So the paint is in real bad shape. I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to wet sand it, maybe 3,000, 5,000. It's extremely dull. Plastic pieces are gone, engine bay is a mess. So it's gonna be a nice restoration. A lot of work ahead. So let's go outside, show you what we have. Cross our fingers that we can do a resurrection and get her back into a good looking car again. It has a JDM body kit, front bumper, side skirts and whatnot, lower coilovers, 5-speed. It's a nice car, it rides real nice. So outside we go. Painted surfaces, plastic, engine bay, wheels, interior, the whole enchilada. So outside we go. And we got the Lexus, quite a bit of goodies. She was neglected. Alteza, and the paint completely dull. Let's see what we can do with this. The plastic trim gone. Also gone. The roof, zero clarity. The spoiler, I'm gonna take the spoiler out. I gotta take the tinted window from the back out. It's a real nice car. Right here, more faded. So I have a lot of work. This is gonna have to be slow and easy. And the paint is at 3.4 here, but this roof looks real bad. 3.2, 3.7 somewhere. I saw a 2.8 or something. I think it's here. 3.2, 3.2. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with this. I have to really think about this. I'm thinking to go ahead and wet sand it because it is so far gone. And here too, I mean, this is looking real bad. So let's see the size. I'm gonna do the interior as well. It's 5-speed, it looks nice. It rides real nice. So, and ironically, the owner of this car, it was the previous owner. I have his new car inside, the NSX. It's picking up tonight. So this looks nice. So yeah, start a new journey, see what we can do. All of these, it looks super bad. So let's see. Right there. Let's see where we ended doing. Nice weather, take it inside and we go. Okay, have the spoiler out. Gotta take all of that so I can clean all that. That used to be a plug there, so I don't think I can do much with that. And the roof, we talk about it. The hood and the engine bay, I took the trim piece, clean all that, pressure washer, and with the wheel cleaner deluxe. And the engine bay, I took the trim piece out. I'm gonna blow that by air, wheel cleaner deluxe. Cover this guy here so we don't get wet. And pressure washer with a small brush. Clean this up. And we begin. Got the spoiler out. So see if I can wash her. Clay block. And then we go. With this synthetic clay block, soap, and let's see if you can listen to this. Sandpaper, contamination on top. Look at the black stuff coming out there. I have to do like 3 or 4 passes, but this will help me when I take her inside. My pads won't get loaded, or they will get loaded a lot less. And this is a good time to do this. Look at the color of that thing. With the clay block that I call it. This other side is already done. And a major improvement already. You can see a little bit of clarity there. And it feels good. So system is working. Hood is next. Beautiful day outside. So 1 little piece at a time. And now, okay, and now dry, we can see that things are even worse than what I thought. Let's go inside and see under the light, but swirls and this and that and everything else. And the roof got a little better, but still, at least it's smooth now. Let's see where we're gonna go with this. The wheels came out nice. Yeah. So to the AC we go. Okay, and inside the garage, let me see what we can see here. We don't even need the light. Look at this thing. Now let's try, see. Yeah, everywhere. Wow. So let's see how we're gonna tackle this, but clearly there's no shine. Engine bay done. I took the plastic piece out. Better view of the roof. So this will be like an enhancement. Spoiler out. Gotta take the thinner windows out. The windows inside are horrible. There's some type of marking here. And then the plastic. Yeah, so quite a bit of work. Some more markings here. So let's see what we're gonna do. So we start. Okay, first attempt with the pads. It was a failure, and I got the 3000 right here, 3000, and I can see that this is the way to go. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I'm gonna go behind it with a little bit of the medium compound. I'm gonna try the sweat remover first. The sweat remover should be able to get it out, but it's looking beautiful. Look at the difference right here, just from that step. Okay, let's see. Okay, and here's the before and after, the best we can do with what we have. That's a little dust there. So huge improvement, big enhancement. So I ended going with the 3000 sandpaper, and then the sweat remover, microfiber pad and orange pad, and there you have it. So now I have the recipe. A lot of work ahead, but clearly a huge improvement. And then when we put the coating, it should look even better. So yeah, quite happy with that. Let's see what happens next. Have the half not done, fully oxidated, transition, looking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, huge difference. Okay, so a lot of wet sanding, a lot of polishing, but we are where we need to be without compromising what we have. Some places with some heavy imperfections, the paint, the car has been repainted, so we can only go so far, but stunning looking now, big change. So I'm gonna dismount this thing, show you a little bit, and we are ready for ceramic coating, the Boosted 2.0. We're gonna do the faces of the wheels and everything in the outside minus the windshield. So moving along, I got about so far 19 hours into it, working very late at night to finish it. So let me show you what we got. So this is the end result. Remember the hood, it looks beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So it's a little wet outside, so we're gonna stay inside here. Gotta put detail, but it came out beautiful, beautiful. A huge turnaround. I'm gonna leave these thinner windows for last and see if we can tackle that later. And before you ceramic coat, make sure you do a walk around that you're not missing any spots. The prep oil, and then we go. There's the boosted. Okay, so with the booster we go. Start with the roof, size, and then move down below. And here she is, all done. And that was a journey. We saved it. 5,000 sandpaper in many places. Behind with the Sweat Remover Pro X, clay block, and the ceramic coat, the boosted, and it looks stunning. The windows, that's another project. They need to do the thinner windows. The film is very, very tight to the glass, so I wasn't going to embark into that project. That's a big, big project. Detail, spoilers back on. That was another project, but here she is. Wheels and tire T2. Wheel cleaner deluxe, and we have pearls. So there she is. All done. Check us online, turbowax.com, and that's a wrap with this one.